And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, another day's in the books for Palantir stock. And you guessed it, we have to break it down in this video, go over the charts, what I'm looking to do, where I see it going in the short term. And if we have time later in the video, we'll break down some other stocks, maybe the indexes. But first, cheers, take a sip of your coffee, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moo. Open up your account using that link down below and deposit at least $100. Once you do that, you get 5 free stocks. And once you deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers again. Let's get right into the video. So check it out. Palantir stock ended up going down about 1% on the day, down about 70 cents, closing at $66 and about 40 cents per share. And let me tell you guys, it was a bit of a rocky day for the stock. And we opened up pretty high. We opened up at about $67.50, and we were choppy right out of the gate. I mean, look at the choppiness here, guys, right out of the gate. Then we uptrended a bit to almost $68 per share. We hit $67.88 to be exact. And from that point, guys, we downtrended pretty much for the rest of the day. So let me show you this right here. You guys know at this point, $67, $68. This has been resistance for quite some time. I mean, not too long, but for about 10 days, 2 weeks at this point, we've been struggling there, and we got hit again at that point this morning. We hit almost $68. I actually think, wait a second, we hit 67. Oh my God, look at this, guys. We hit 67.88 on the dot, which literally was the exact high from about a week ago. I think exactly a week ago, yeah, we hit 67.88, and we hit that same point literally today. So obviously, resistance is still there at $67, $68 a share, no doubt about it. And notice at the same time, we're still making higher lows. Even though we had a red day today, down 1%, if I draw this trend line out, you guys can see, look, we're still holding above this trend line. We're at a higher low. We held above the lows from yesterday, it looks like here, the opening price, or not yesterday, excuse me, guys, from Monday, the opening price, or not Monday, Friday, the opening price was $65.25. We held above that. We held above where we were on Wednesday, Tuesday, you name it, right? So higher lows are being made very clearly, which means this ascending triangle is very much still intact, which you guys can see here on this 30-minute chart. If I draw it out, let me do it for you guys very quickly. By the way, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Join the email list, by the way. I'm sending out my top 3 stocks every Monday to all my email subscribers, and it's free, guys. Link down below in the description box. Put your first name, your email. I actually just sent out an email to over 1,600 people earlier today, guys, so make sure you all get in there. So Palantir, clear as day, still in this triangle, right? Higher lows being made into this 67.50, 68 resistance. And I'm telling you guys, one day, I don't know if it's tomorrow, the next day, come in the next week, I have no idea, but I think we're going to explode out of $67.50, $68, and I think we're going to touch $70 in the short term. And after that, it's anybody's best guess what we're going to do, right? Who knows? But as of now, this is how we're setting up. We have this triangle still, and even though we had a red day today, it's still looking bullish as ever. We're squeezing deeper into the triangle, and ultimately, I think we're going to break out of 68. I could be wrong. Maybe I'm an idiot. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. I've been called an idiot before. You can say it again. It's all good. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'm going to set my alert now at $68 a share, which puts us right above where we were today, the last couple of days. And look at how many times we've gotten hit at 68 bucks, man, in the last 2-3 weeks. I mean, once, twice, 3, 4 times. I mean, we're bound to get out of this point. And it looks like we also hit it, even before that. But man, I think we're looking really bullish. We also have, not to mention, this cup and handle. It's still intact. You guys see the cup, the handle. You guys see that clear as day. So I'm looking at this like, I think we're going to break out of 68. I think we're going to be seeing 70 bucks. I know it's crazy. I feel pretty crazy saying it out loud because I didn't think Palantir was going to get the 50 this year, let alone 70. But man, it looks like that is where we're pointing right now. 70 bucks a share. And I'd love to know what you guys think. If I'm an idiot, call me an idiot in the comments. Please go ahead. Feel free. If you agree with me, let me know in the comments as well. I'm curious kind of where your head's at. But overall, that's how today went down. And mind you, the overall stock market was a bit wonky today. We had the S&P up a bit. QQQ went up around 1%, so great day for QQQ, but the Dow went down about 0.25%. Russell broke even, slightly in the red. I think pretty much for the entire day, the Russell was in the red. So we had a bit of a mixed bag in the stock market today. So we had Palantir go down during a mixed bag day today, but a lot of stocks did pretty well, We covered Applied Materials earlier today. I think we did. This one up around 5% on the day. Block went up around 5% as well. Stocks like AMD are moving, which, full disclosure, I'm in AMD. This one went up around 3.5% today. Stocks like Google are looking pretty interesting here. It looks like we're bouncing on this chart. It looks like we actually closed above both moving averages as well here on this time frame, the 4-hour time frame. So Google, Alphabet up around 1.5% on the day. It looks like it wants to potentially start breaking out again to the mid-high 170s. We'll see where it goes after that. So Alphabet looks really good. Ticker symbol GOOG. And let me see what else we have here, guys. Coinbase went up a little bit today, 2%, although this chart looks really wonky. We don't know what's going to go down with Coinbase here, but I'm still watching it, as obviously crypto is very hot. Amazon, which I'm long in this one as well, full disclosure. This one looks like it's fully breaking out, which, by the way, we called that out, did we not? Looks like we're fully breaking out of 200, 202, which was the high from back in July. We're above the wedge here, the moving averages. So in my eyes, I don't know about you guys, but in my opinion, Amazon is well on its way back to 215. At least that's what it looks like as of now. And Tesla today, guys, TSLA, went up 3.5%. And now we're pretty much right back to 360. I know, it's crazy. And now we're testing a multi-week resistance, which is at 360. And now, look at this. We have ourselves in an ascending triangle in Tesla stock as well. Look at this. We have higher lows being made into the 360 roughly resistance. So if that point breaks, guys, 360, man, this could be going up even more. The triangle could play out, and $400 might not be too far-fetched in the short term. So, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe. I think 75% of you guys watching are not subscribed, so that's got to change. Make sure to subscribe and also get your free stocks for Moomoo. Once you open up your account using that link down below and you deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, what are you waiting for? Use that link down below or go to to stocksurfest.com/moo. Get your free stocks, and feel free to let me know what stocks you get in the comments. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.